In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track tasks or overall project progress using the progress column in Monday.com. Now, let's dive into this simple guide to enhance your project management experience. First, you'll need to visit Monday.com. If you're already at your computer, open up your web browser and enter Monday.com into the search bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to log in on the top right corner of the screen. Click on that login button to proceed. If you're like many of us, you can log in using your Google account. Simply click on the Google option and then choose the account you wish to use. This step is designed to save you time and ensure everything is safe and secure without having to remember yet another password. Once you have logged in, navigate to your dashboard and head over to the specific board you're working with. This board is where you will monitor the tasks or projects you are currently managing. It's a good idea to have your board already set up with tasks to see progress effectually. Next, what you want to do is add a progress column to your board. Look for the plus icon, usually located on the right side of your board. This is where you can add new columns. Click on that icon to bring up a menu that allows you to customize and add columns as required. When the menu appears, you'll notice an option that says More Columns. Click on More Columns to see a list of all the varied column types you can integrate into your board. In the search bar that appears at the top, type in Progress. Now you should see the Progress tracking option show up in the search results. Click it, and the column will be added to your board automatically. This is the column where you'll be tracking the progress of each task or project you have on your board. The progress column is incredibly useful because it provides a visual representation of how far along a task is from 0 to 100%. You can update the status of each task manually or set it up to auto-update based on certain criteria. This feature is handy for keeping your team aware of the current status of each piece of work, ensuring everyone is on the same page. And there you have it, a straightforward way to track tasks or overall project progress using the progress column on Monday.com. With this visual tool, you can efficiently keep an eye on your projects, helping you and your team stay organized and productive. Thanks for watching, and happy project tracking.